This video provides a comprehensive overview of both the design results and intricate design details. Let's start off with running the design results by selecting the Show Results button. My results were already run, so no need to recalculate them. Next, let's dive right in and navigate through the results panel to select the steel design from the list. I don't have any other results, so this is already selected. If you do have the static analysis results, this will be ungraded and you can select steel design from this list. The results navigator is presented in a tree structure, which conveniently displays all available steel design outcomes, allowing for a graphical representation on the model upon selection. Each distinct color signifies a specific design type, and the capability to showcase multiple results simultaneously is also at your disposal. Additionally, you can see designs here that have been calculated and then can be chosen accordingly. If you have the ratio envelope checked, it will only show the maximum of all design checks or the maximum of all design checks without errors. If you have ratio envelope unchecked, then each of these that are checked here under the strength limit or serviceability limit will be shown. Then you can see down here, additional member results for mode shapes have also been calculated. Moving beyond the graphical representation, RFEM offers detailed results in tabular form. If you have any warnings, non-designable situations, etc., then there will be a overview subcategory that is shown here where you can easily locate these. We can skip those details for now and focus on the design ratios under the members subcategory. Here, the design ratios for all load combinations in each individual member are represented. To enhance the clarity, we can streamline the table by applying filters by clicking on the Show Result Table Manager. A new dialog box allows us to selectively display governing ratios for the desired design situations by deactivating any unavailable ones. Another groundbreaking feature in RFEM 6 is the introduction of detailed design check formulas accessible within the tables. You can simply double-click to open the respective design window. And this is where you can choose the desired design situation and load combination. The design data is presented in the center while design check formulas are displayed on the right. Printing these formulas is also possible with a click of the respective button down here. It's important to note that these dialog boxes are non-modal windows, allowing flexibility in selecting any member on the structural model at any time within the dialog box by adjusting the data on the left here automatically. While this tutorial doesn't dive into the intricacies of the design, the next video in this series will demonstrate how to import and save previous data and results in the printout report. Until then, stay tuned for more insight.